Dispatch just got a frantic call because some local swamp donkey named Courtney decided to treat a guy's face like a goddamn speed bag. It's Tuesday in the trailer park, and the vibes are already rancid. This routine arrest is about to go tits up faster than a cheap stripper.
If you go sit right on the end right here while I go talk to them, just don't want you to get hit because people can't see. Just go sit at the end of the driveway. You have an ID on you?
Way in the middle. Cops are useless. They don't do nobody no motherfucking good.
I'm gonna go check on him real quick. Oh, is he friendly? You need medical attention? I see the back of it.
I was in the house and I look out the window and here she comes storming up the driveway all red in the face.
She got pissed off at me and kicked.
Try to stay away from her.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna have to arrest her just because she did assault you. I'm gonna be right back, okay?
You can take her straight to jail. You got a secondary unit?
No, I'm gonna go try to talk to her. She wasn't super cooperative though. Alright, bye. Fortunately, you're gonna be under arrest for assaulting him.
It don't matter, because he can do whatever he wants
Okay.
to me. But once I start getting a little irritated back, ooh.
Okay, you just can't touch him though. I need you to stand up, put your hands behind your back. Courtney, you need to stand up, put your hands behind your back.
You can't touch me like that.
Okay.
So,
Well, if you can behave and put your hands in the front for me,
whatever.
I'll be cooperative with you, okay? Okay,
He
what,
gets away with what he did, okay?
do you have anything in your purse? They're gonna toss it at the jail, so...
What am I supposed to do? Shove it on my ass sideways?
Sideways.
Oh, whatever. Yes. Look at all my shit gets thrown away and I get again. What am I supposed to do?
Toss it in
Lose all
here.
my shit?
Unfortunately.
Unfortunately.
Unless you want to, if you can leave it with them.
No! They me!
Alright, put your hands behind your back.
Now you're gonna force me.
Yep. Put your hands behind your back.
I will get in the car.
Put the bag down.
I'm not leaving my stuff. Not leaving my stuff.
Put the bag on the ground.
Not leaving my stuff.
I didn't
you
say
can't make me leave my stuff.
I'm not gonna make you leave it. You take...
You better me too.
Don't.
Get away
Put
from
it down.
me. Call somebody. Get somebody here.
Put your bag on the ground.
You ain't making me leave my stuff.
Put your bag on the ground.
Why? So I can leave it? You're gonna make me lose my Make me lose more of my stuff.
Put your bag on the ground.
You're gonna make me lose more of my
6-4-11.
You're gonna f me too, huh, Popo? Hi. Popo f me too.
Emergency. Put it on the ground.
You f me.
Put it on the ground.
Why? So I can leave it?
6-4-11, can you repeat your traffic?
You're gonna break my arm? Break my arm? For what? You or me?
Put it. Put
You're
it
gonna
on
make
the
me lose
ground.
more of my This is my
Put it on the ground.
My
Here,
6-4-15, we're only getting a clip. Are you clear on that?
en route. I'd probably go back down to Apple. It's section.
2018.
Alright, I think you're right.
Put your bag on the ground.
2017.
too, huh? You f me too? You gonna f me too? You gonna f me too? I'm gonna sue the pants
Give
off
me
you.
your other arm.
I'm gonna sue the pants off you. What's your name? I'm gonna sue the pants off you.
Don't bite.
That's her truck right there.
You can't touch me. I'm suing you. Hands. You. You f me. Whatever. I'm suing the pants off you.
Shut up!
Hey, Chris. I'm suing the pants off you.
Does have like hand sanitizer?
Yeah, I do in my
Yeah,
door.
I'm gonna need
I got
that.
her. I got her.
You're getting sued. I can't sue that, baby.
Stand up.
Can't.
Yes, you can.
I'm suing the pants off you, assholes.
Yeah, I heard you the first time.
Ooh. I know you little. Ooh.
What's your name?
Courtney Murray.
Courtney Maury. I do know you.
Huh?
Huh?
You tough? Huh? You see.
Alright. Hang back for me.
You should do that to me.
Good?
Yep.
Okay. Put some hand sanitizer on there.
Yeah, me over! Me over! Me over! Mario, my buckle!
Whoops, I'm sorry. You think she's gonna spit on you and kick your things and...
You just might. I'm gonna take this back to them real quick.
I wouldn't mind continuing. We might need a cage for transport.
I'll be going through it.
We're watching a cop lose her fucking car to a woman who probably breathes through her ears. Who the fuck even leaves their keys in the car's cup holder? Jesus Christ.
I'll get a better look at it when she comes back out here, but Robert's got a pretty good bite.
If you know of family or anybody, I'll hold on to that.
6415, we're in pursuit of a patrol car.
Why all the excitement? You okay?
Yeah, she just didn't want to go.
Dispatch, you're not gonna believe this shit. Our suspect, who is currently cuffed, is currently GTAing our own fucking cruiser. We are being outrun by a woman in a floral blouse, who's surprisingly good at driving.
It's going north on Moreland.
North on Moreland.
Get after it. Stay calm, you're good.
6409 and 608. 6415 is pursuing a patrol unit.
Courtney is hitting 160 kilometers per hour in a car she stole with her hands behind her back.
Clear right, go through it. So we might have a T coming up, so get close. You're not pit trained, are you?
Nope.
Okay. Keep going.
415 update.
Still northbound coming up to Bailey. Speeds are 100.
100 miles an hour.
Brake, scrub.
The MSP cruiser.
A firm.
Eastbound Bailey.
Turning north on Mason.
And we're northbound on Mason. From Bailey.
Continuing northbound coming up to power line.
Northbound Mason from Bailey approaching the power line.
Dead end up here.
The road should dead end.
Going back east on Power Line Road.
We're eastbound on Power Line Road from Mason.
Check, westbound. Doing good. Just keep your bearings. We're on dirt.
No shot on Swanson.
Northbound on Swanson from the power line.
Coming up to 140, it's still northbound. Alright, hold up. Slow up. Just in case. Alright. She's still up there. Make it up.
We're gonna way we get it at 1.
Coming up to a River Drive.
Swanson approaching River Drive.
We're on Fitzgerald Avenue now, northbound.
We're northbound on Fitzgerald.
Scrub.
Eastbound on South River Drive from Fitzgerald.
Alright, get after it. Go.
31-7 and out. 2028.
128th Street.
In the cruise, approaching 128th on South River Drive.
Yes. Alright, slow up just in case she turned left here.
See the dust, right?
Still on South River Drive, heading north.
Coming up to running deer lane. Approaching running deer lane.
Nice scrub. Yes. Alright, scrub. Looks like a pretty sharp turn. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Yes. Coming up to Warner Avenue.
Approaching Warner Avenue, we have an Oego unit in the area advising the neighborhood.
They're all clear on the side of the vehicle.
It's alright, get up there, we should be able to see her. I'd go that way. And we're gonna be northbound on Warner Avenue, right by the river. Get up, it's all the way up there.
You visited the Tahoe?
To Tahoe. Continuing northbound through 112th.
Continuing northbound through 112th on Warner.
Careful.
Number 6415 taking second, Oego taking primary.
Go around and get after it. As soon as you're able, get back into the gas. Taking westbound shot on 100th Street.
Westbound on 100.
Disregard, it's going to be a DNR unit in lead.
DNR pit?
I don't know. Still westbound, speeds are 96, no traffic. So we're coming up to Green Avenue. Looks like she is continuing west.
Dead end.
Yup, says it's a dead end. So we're crossing Green on 100th dirt road. Brakes, 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 brakes. Yup, continuing into the woods. Keep going.
Number.
We're gonna be down by the creek. Vehicle stopped.
Vehicles down near the creek.
Put your arms behind your back. Put your arms behind your back right now.
I can't
Stand up.
Up. Let's go. Feet up.
Shane that better.
Hey, enough. Don't make yourself worse.
Break my tongue out.
All right.
guys got a cage?
You guy. Okay, you guys
Let's go.
You guys carry me. Carry me. I ain't walking.
Give me your legs.
Yep, you carry me now. We're reaching head to toe. Hit the top. Yeah, hold my arm like that. Yeah, hold my arm like that.
You can walk.
Let me go. You can't hold
You gonna walk?
that. No, you can't.
Let's go.
Yeah, hold my arm like that. My arm's like, shut. You shut the fuck up.
Let's go.
You walk? I ain't walking if you hold me like that. I walk if you don't hold me like that.
Let's go. I'm gonna walk. Let's go. Come on.
You gonna stop pulling at me like that? Should've thought about that before he got arrested. Cough anymore. Pat him on the back, give him a blood.
What happened?
We assisted another troop and in the front. Next thing we know, she's in the driver's seat fleeing.
All right. Is it one of your guys' cars?
No.
Who's your sergeant on right now?
Vashaw.
Dash up.
Thanks, Sarge. Do you feel comfortable in trying to get the car up there, or you want me to do it? Okay.
I was that bridge. Both lanes had vehicles. Move.
I want to take a peek-see.
Yeah, it's got some metal stamped up in there too.
The ride's over. Courtney traded a Ford Explorer for a 3-year stay at the state-funded hotel. She owes $1,234 and any remaining shred of self-respect. Play stupid games. Win stupid fucking prizes.